When you're working in a conversation, having the right context makes all the difference. In front, integrations appear in the app switcher on the right-hand side of the conversation. This is where you can access additional information about your customer without breaking your flow of work. Instead of opening multiple tabs or searching through different systems, everything you need is available right alongside the conversation. This makes it much easier to understand the situation quickly and respond with confidence. Front offers a handful of out-of-the-box tools. First, the Contact Details plugin, where you can see more information about whichever contact you're communicating with. Next, the Calendar integration, where you can view your own availability, schedule a meeting, or create and send scheduling links for your customer to book a time on your calendar. And the Knowledge Base plugin, where you can easily search for answers in any of the knowledge bases you have connected to Front. Click the Manage Integrations button at the bottom of the app switcher to pin additional plugins to view, or view all plugins to see what other apps can be connected in the Plugins panel. As you start connecting more tools to Front, this panel becomes even more powerful, giving your team a complete view of every customer interaction.